don't need coding skills until you do. All right, so this is the topic for today's video. We're going to break down the limits of no code tools and AI as of today as a software engineer, or if you're someone that just doesn't know how to code and you want to get something up and running like a website, a web app, mobile app, how to use AI and how sometimes using AI and understanding the basics of prompting, it could get you to where you need to be, but at the same time, it could cause a lot of grief. It could cause a lot of headaches if you don't know the fundamentals of software engineering. So this is why having some basics of software engineering fundamentals still matter. Regardless of any tool that's out there, okay, you need to know the fundamentals of how a website works, how a web app works, how a system works. All of these things are important to ensure that you don't run into any major problems when you get this app up and running in production. Okay. So here with the AI, it's been great. I've been using Claude Code mostly for a lot of my projects. And I could tell you, you give it the right prompt, it does what it needs to do. And you look at the code output that it does, like it's really good at generating code that will solve a problem. If there's a bug or something that you need to fix, it actually knows the context of it depending on your prompt, and it does it for you, which is great. But it gives you a promise, right? Like you see all these different YouTube channels, these TikToks, Instagrams talking about how AI is very efficient and what you could do with it with demos, etc. And it shows how easy it is just to write something into a prompt and then it generates a web application or a website. And it does great things if you know how to prompt it well, and it gives you everything that you need under the sun to get whatever MVP that you want out there. But if you don't understand contextually of how your app is being built and what could happen when things go wrong in production, you're going to have a major problem. Okay, so you can spin up apps relatively quickly, you can generate features, and you can build MVPs way faster as to relying on a engineer, which is cool, right? It gets you somewhere.